Hi, I'm Brad. I'm excited to introduce you today to the Philips fully automatic espresso machine with LatteGo. It does all of the great beverages that you're used to getting in your favorite coffee house. And what's really exciting about this machine is LatteGo. This container is the secret behind everything. There's only 3 pieces. In addition to this awesome LatteGo technology, the screen has all of the easy buttons for making your favorite drinks. There's no complicated menus to navigate. You can easily make your adjustments for your strength and for your temperature and for your quantity. And it also has a very generous capacity bean hopper on top of the machine, and it features a ceramic disc grinder, which will actually allow you to brew up to 20,000 cups of coffee. Philips also has a really cool technology called AquaClean. When you use the AquaClean filters, it allows you to not descale your machine for 5,000 cups. Now that you know a little bit about the overview of the machine, I'd love to show you how to prepare a latte macchiato using the LatteGo technology. On the LatteGo container, there are a series of markings on the front, which indicate where you would fill the milk for a cappuccino, for a latte, a double cappuccino, and even a max line. I'm gonna make a latte, so I'm gonna fill it to that second line. And then I simply hang it on the front of the machine. And that's it, I'm ready to go. I will now choose latte macchiato, and I'll press the start button. And just like that, my latte is ready. It's a great tasting latte. For more on the Philips fully automatic espresso machine with LatteGo and all of your other favorite Philips products, please visit williamsonoma.com.